Abuzako media and so I said the president, John Mahama, on Minister for Information and Communication, someone I told George, Omar so Ayeshe pay I'm a Ghana for no. TikTok is for no, I clash with them, Ebo Omar Jin Echirum. Memon Chirum do be a into the media and so Omo Edu Mujuman watch the Wadrin Amame. Ewa comment session. I Penyah block me the mess was any demo. Obe like video, no that my boss subscribe button, so now back click notification and latest updates. Now watch the Wadrin Amame. Ewa comment session. Mess also about so no share for any be ashe. It's my fan certificate Sam George Eso. Obekaya. Somewhere 6 February 2025. Anna Sam George at the floor of Parliament, also General Car said, or no under his watch as Information and Communication Minister. No, or person there I don't know. Ebe ban, ebe put the stop to the issue of misinformation and disinformation.
The ministry will be coming again to deal with the issues of mis and disinformation with legislation to this House. And I will urge members of Parliament to support it. Because, Mr. Speaker, even in this chamber yesterday, there was misinformation. In fact, in the past 1 week, this House has carried out business on 2 occasions on the back of misinformation. The Appointments Committee of Parliament had to deal with an issue of mis and disinformation when it invited Oliver Bakavomao, because there was no authentication of what the committee put before him as his own post. Meanwhile, it was doctored. Yesterday, the Honorable Member for Damongo, Honorable Abu Jinapo, made reference to a photo that had been altered and digitally created on the floor of this House. It's important that we take misinformation and disinformation seriously and deal with it once and for all, and crack the whip and make sure that persons who are actively engaged in this face the full rigors of the law. And Mr. Speaker, with your support as Minister, we will bring legislation to deal with it.
Because I say even in the House of the Parliament, misinformation, any disinformation, as Communication Minister, he will do something to put a stop to that act. Everyone said and CM Sam George. It's a confer the friend cyber crime amendment bill. I don't person on social media. About social media, the Sam George MP because who opposition? I could for a person that bill on Eban. One also the say oh pay Ghana form pay that bill no.
The justification of fighting cybercrime is flawed. You already have the infrastructure today that is fighting cybercrime. You have a national cybersecurity advisor at the ministry. There's a national cybersecurity center. There's a joint interministerial working group on fighting on cybercrime that has the Minister for National Security, has the Minister for Communications, has the Minister for Justice and Attorney General, has the Minister for Interior. There are about 7 ministers on it. And the structures exist. If you are setting up an authority, that is just a bureaucracy. The bureaucracy is going to be responsible for policy, regulation, and frameworks. That authority is not going to be responsible for the fight against cybercrime. The fight against cybercrime across the world has never been done by governments. It is always done by private sector agencies. What you will see is that government is going to say that, okay, for all...
Ekufo want to instigate culture of silence. Mona moka that same etni Ghana for now through almost support Emma NDC and Sam George. Emma you fighting against Ekufo the government no am almost anti pass that particular bill. It is a lot for that bill by Ghana for so no at that same intenscon at the children. Now I had the 1st of October 2025. Yeah, just said last 2 weeks yeah and a parliamentary setting, any parliamentary hearing. Now a honor and someone at George, I have friend Sam George, Sam Zata George, also original. Let's say all bro near my power better now. You know, in the position as Communication Minister and Sam George, or better now. So why yeah? I said, thinking him say, oh, but near my could them be so. But Sam George will casa. What my bomodene a delete social media account. Poly 738.
We have taken down 738 social media accounts used impersonating VIPs, Mr. Speaker, including your very good self, and members of Parliament, and government appointees and other high-profile persons, and we've neutralized those accounts. A collaboration with telecom service providers has also resulted in the blocking of 1,380 mobile numbers used for nefarious activities, including online fraud. On increased awareness, education, and publicity activities on cyber issues, Mr. Speaker, the CSA has since January 2025 issued 11 public alerts and 4 technical alerts to inform and educate the public and institutions on trending cyber fraud incidents such as fraudulent investment and recruitment scam. The ministry, with funding from the World Bank in July 2025, launched the Safer Digital Ghana campaign initiative nationwide. Mr. Speaker, regional fora, social media campaigns, and various stakeholder engagements were adopted this month during the celebration of the 2025 Annual Cybersecurity Awareness Month. This year's celebration focused on 4 pillars, namely children, the public, businesses, and government, under the theme Building a Safe, Informed, and Accountable Digital Space. Other awareness and publicity programs, Mr. Speaker, which were implemented in 2025 include an engagement with 58,000 children and young children through the Child Online Protection Sensitization activities. And Mr. Speaker, the ministry is currently undergoing a review of the Cybersecurity Legislation Act 1038. We are taking public memoranda. We've opened it up to the public. The zero draft is ready. We're taking memoranda. We've received over 600 memoranda, and that is going to be considered, and we'll hold our in-person stakeholder engagements, and hopefully next year lay the amendments which will strengthen our capacity and ability to deal with cyber fraud in a responsible and responsive manner as the government. Thank you.
That's a very great. Just a ministry now, some George here, you already there. Some in the oil, some George, who did some George, they ballet no. What they for full no, and then what goes so. And the way the sound George achievement, oh, what about the young friend? Sound George about more. Now, achievement when I sound George agent at the floor of parliament every day, you know. And on associate with a Ghana for no. Edim komona o machiro madwene afa ho. What I say, goodness, actually say, it is one an achievement. Ow, Ghana, it is a way a achievement. And when you say, hey, way from DSTV to blocking account, it is some George there. Obaka only DSTV account or kwebia, from there no, what social media account and all block here. The lie say, saga yi want tiasia kura, just say, sound all want tiasia. Does even have understanding or want tiasia mpu. What I say, I'm say, and obviously say, what has he done in the 12 years, if not for insult and propaganda? Just what, you know, Ningo Pram Pram, Akonya Neso, if we shall do, you know. You say, then as some judge or Ningo Pram Pram. Apart from insults and propaganda, then as some judge, I ever honomo, Ediabua Ghana. So that's why they blocked my ECG parody account on X. Let's be quick, say, once an account to be blocking, say some judge, and such as say, oh, okay, I tell you, is it not the same person that said government under his ministry has no power in taking or shutting down accounts? Okay, Sangaka said government under his ministry, any to me be a said, or better take it down or be account. There's answer, no. A crocodile join us a day. Na obi ebisa some judge, a hanamo. This is not what we need. Check on the data bundles. And Vodafone unstable network. I know there. Vodafone unstable network ne there. Enye fe dia grow here. Me wa tell say some ewa ha. Me ntimi nisu. Eto to go crowd there maybe am me location. Ateko kra 3-4 months ni eto to go ateko. As of 1st July, our 400 cities data bundle ne ba ya me to bie. Be to ye ade chin ye ana eto to go eteko ye. And maybe from 1st July, basically, you call December more. Elder to go maybe it's my boka 4 million bundle no. I catch up no so. Maintain so. Some dog and her can't want some. And on a number, a conto canvas will be any so. What do I say? I know we are saying, and you don't try to about my check it, data bundle, no boy at the name. I face in the Elder to go near Vodafone network, and yet check it on the Maya. What do I say? Oh, so we are question because and you went to Abama. One ministry no, your ministry ni ye. So this one too, you send the parliament to do what? Should I say? So I know you call parliament go ready here no. Yeah, day parliament day. Ah, what did they say? Oh, so achievement of some judge. Some you bring achievement so. Just said near my son you let him achieve 10 months in office. They want me here every day. Oh, some boy or reading the profile. When just some no reading the profile. What I say? And the people can't open new accounts if they can do so easily. What's the point? the account who did it, you know. So we make us creative for fraud there. And what's the point of deleting those accounts? Obi ebusa. Nobody just now DSTV case no. I had day. I said, oh, great job, sir. Just say, Obi so boss and job abaso. I didn't want to talk about politics in Ghana again, but this matter. Young post or honor. No compare so can politics are same PM. But issue ain't one there. Or can't to me, but or say the young brick or honor. And we just say, oh, DSTV minister. Some NDC dear, never again. A reality. I have regrettably wasted my vote. Just I quite well to NDC. Now, I remember to say because who there be. I have regrettably wasted my vote. We say what two about phone, what two about that two actually. No wonder my Facebook account was blocked yesterday. Shame. Kwasiakwa. Just na media not so there. Omu eke can be pa edit Sam George. Efa Jumedi we na. Just or they call parliament na or they send home na ne claim say why no. Na omu ene ebe crash. Now let's go to Mahama. Enra. And His Excellency the President, John Mahama, Okopiemu at the 29th edition of Ghana Journalists Association Award, a year GJA Awards, 29th edition. Our konyo no kwa one kroni nyina ti e kroni nyina ni oman ni nyina wura otumfo na na say tu asase nyameka say pia wo nkwaso one no ene go piem e wo hono. Na hono ana Mahama address Ghana for no.
I'm pleased to report that the investigations are complete. A total of 21 individuals have been identified, 4 have been arrested and released on bail, 5 remain on remand, and warrants have been issued for the remaining suspects. The Attorney General is currently reviewing the report to determine the appropriate legal action and appropriate compensations for victims or their families. Justice will be pursued under the law. The victims deserve closure, and the perpetrators will face the consequences of their actions. I've also directed the Minister responsible for government communications and the Minister responsible for national security to create a permanent forum for constructive engagement between the security services and the media to foster mutual respect and prevent such future incidents. Let me be unequivocal on this theme. The need for responsible regulation is real. The same digital tools that democratize information now also enable hate, defamation, impersonation, and cyberbullying. Therefore, the Cybersecurity Amendment Bill 2025 and the Misinformation and Disinformation Bill currently before Parliament are not meant to restrict expression, but to safeguard citizens and uphold truth in the digital realm. I recognize that the GJA and civil society have raised some legitimate concerns. Let me assure you that these concerns will be addressed transparently and constructively. Our aim is to extend the ethical standards of traditional journalism into the digital space without infringing on constitutional freedoms. Freedom of expression does not include freedom to ruin reputations. Freedom of expression does not include freedom to threaten lives or incite violence. And as I've often said, the boundaries of free speech is speech that endangers peace and human dignity. My administration will continue engaging directly with the media. The interactive session I held on 10th September marked the beginning of a series of regular dialogues between the presidency and the Ghanaian media. The next such interaction will take place next year to commemorate the first anniversary of my government. We're also reactivating the Media Development Fund after extensive consultation with stakeholders. The fund will support capacity building, welfare,
Now, that's Edna no see ya pet less than 12 hours. Me who am I? Oh, me stop on Ghana for Kurada. Or buy your me stop or by Ghana for me who be that. A whole president that can come out from a crown for to Kakara. Also, Penyah there be. Oh, yeah, my friend was when ye. I had a finty. Prekona we are in a show. 80 Mahama Casa we ya pet. And the media also. Almost His Excellency Arno Ewosro. The over started a reply. Say we party ever. His Excellency ever.
John Mahama me moachi anopei erade asum de enkan mene nam na metete ana me copy video bi so se ese no wo se bloggers a ya kasa di atem edi fake news to dwa ya niema na wo se wo ye bibi fa ho John Mahama ontimi nya bibi anfa ho odo wo tumi no se mampani otimi ye de ope or 4 years, what me the ope. But me pese John Mahama me ka asem kire. Koto de ne bodwa wo ho. Nyanya kire de yenya no nko. If it's a poison wonimu. Ba John Mahama me ka kire poison nyanya kire be we awu. Ghana enya wo John Mahama wo dia. Although ukuta Ghana to me. What me the ope within these 4 years. Ba said you nsuo to ye no awia be bone pe simple if you say opposition o share nipa bi ati sa na meka no because Kevin Taylor buy ye no na before ye beto aba no nkrofo nka se John Mahama woni Ibrahim Mahama na mo share Kevin Taylor chi ene nkrofo bi achi Captain Smart mo na mo didi akufo ado atem twantro eto akufo ado aban so ye niema empanifuo ahemfo na menyini ba Kevin Taylor buy ya wo di a whole national security ga e born ne ho ban e man no vice president resident etna ye woni ne yire ne ma ana me giri sa asem ni di ye sa wo John Mahama sa na ye no kre se wanya sade na se ma no mo ka bia ni ho na mefa unse me man ka bida because na menyini but the net de wo ka kire ye say bloggers and nam social media e try to the dia tem emma fake news na sefo how it will be open so ye bi fa ho opa he ye niam bia a wo be ye but the essence ye no ye nso ye be ye because of mine no da ya bam da ya koma so ye man Ghana ye man Ghana ye ni ba bia ko enti niam bia be ko so a emmoa o man no ne ye daache opa femra ebra emekuye nyina eka ye modie twato ye de beje ye man Ghana si ho o man Ghana se ye ni ba bia ko na ye man ye dwapade ba ko pani ye man Ghana on se to wo de wani nye ho but wo position na wonyonko enkrofo Captain Smart mu Kevin Taylor Twene Jonas mu etwan tro de dimpanifo ne akufo ado atem nkolan ketenkete de akufo ado atem na wo bo nsem ma wo mu na wani age na de we need to me o yes enti said ye nso ye no ye be ye ne pepe ene de ebesi benyasi de ebesi ebenyasi e wo Ghana ha John Mahama wani nye ho enti se ne ma bone koso wa ban mu kura na maye nka se ne ma anye koso ibo keni we hyase eno ye kasa ho no oye mampani yante wo nka eniema ekokoso kidnapping robbery ni na sefo nyina eno ye ka ho asem a wo se bloggers ye twantro ye ma fake news na sefo enti wo mpe wo pese wo ye bibi fa ho John Mahama unu no ho sere I'm telling you mini bibi aka biem ya beba
is about the economy, stupid. It's not about all those other useless things about who built how many compost plants. Answer the 5 simple questions.
Yeah, you heard the president. He used 2 words. 2 stupid and useless things. You can watch the video again. He said, he told Dr. Elijah Mahmoud that it is about the economy, stupid. It is not the useless things that you are saying. Now, somebody will ask, what happened? The president in opposition asked Dr. Elijah Mahmoud Bawumia some questions. And Dr. Elijah Mahmoud Bawumia came and responded. And now, he said his response is not about the economy, stupid. And the response he gave, he labeled them as useless things. Today, this same man as a president is telling us that there is something called hate speech. If you speak against his government, you'll be arrested.
Today, why do you have a comment section? I Penyah Block Media. Accra.